Hello friends, and welcome to the channel. I'm Handington, and today we're going to be making s'mores in the microwave. Ooh. Now, making s'mores in a microwave is a little bit more dangerous than cooking the marshmallows first, like over the stove, perhaps, or what's often done, a grill or barbecue. But since a lot of us have to stay inside, I've decided, hey, here's a good idea to help everyone understand how to make a s'more in the microwave, because these little jobbies are what makes it difficult. Marshmallows, if you put them in the microwave, explode. They expand greatly. A lot. They explode. You will want to be careful of the adorable mallows, because otherwise it'll ruin everything. It'll melt and it'll go everywhere. So you gotta be careful. All you'll need are the essential s'more ingredients, some grams, some Happy Mellows, and some succulent morsels. Today I just have the choco chips instead of a more solid chocolate. I would highly recommend getting a bar of chocolate, usually like a Hershey bar of chocolate or any other kind of flat chocolate that you can put on the s'more, because otherwise these make it a little bit difficult otherwise. But something I can do with one hand, break the graham crackers in half. I can do that with my palm, but you can use your whole hands, because one of them is being used to hold the camera. What you're going to want to do first is take a mallow, put it there, and another mallow, and put that there. Alright, we're good. So far we're copacetic. Then what you want to do is put your choco morsels, chalky chippies, deliciousness. Oh, I've got it on my hand. And then make sure to arrange the choco chippies in a way that helps keep them a bit more even. You want a nice, even amount of chocolate, so it's good and finger-licking. Finger-licking chicken. But it's not chicken, because it's a s'more. Very different. You don't want to confuse these two. Or would you? Dun 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 dun. It appears we have some extra leftover Chippos. So those are going to be a tasty snack for waiting while these microwave. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. What you want to do next, and this is the most important step, put them in the microwave very evenly. Very nice. You close it over. We happen to have a stronger microwave. We have 1200 watts. But what you want to do is you want to go to your power setting and change the power level down either one level or two, depending on how safe you want to go. Ours needs to be lowered a little bit, so that this way it's a bit more like a standard microwave. And then what you're going to want to do next, this is the trick, only 10 seconds at a time if it's lowered. But I also say 7 seconds, especially if it's like your first time and you're not quite as sure. So 7 seconds. Stand back so the microwave radiation doesn't fry my insides. They're always important. And there we go. That took 7 seconds. So as you'll see, not much happened here. That's just fine. That's what we want. So I'm going to try it at one less of a power set. You know what? I'll keep it at 8 just for the purposes of the video. So as you can see, it hasn't melted just yet. So we have the settings a little bit lower. This would probably be about 9 for a normal microwave, I believe. So we're going to boost it up to 10 seconds, and we'll see how that goes. You can do it again for another 7 seconds if you're a little bit nervous, but otherwise, if you don't want to do it a third time, then you can just wait. Doing it 7 seconds 3 times does make it a little longer. Look at how the marshmallows just exploded. Alright, so these mallows are very squishy. Ooh, they're very, very light. They're like a meringue. Okay, so this is good. This is what we want, and they're slightly stuck together. Now, it's big enough where it should be stuck onto the thing. And the chocolate chips are also a little bit, they're not quite soft yet, but the marshmallow will be able to stick on here. So what you'll want is to do that so this way it can stay a little bit longer. You get back on there. This way you can squish it onto the thing and it'll stick better. So lastly, we'll recenter it. These are going to be a little, yeah, there we go, a little bit stuck. That's perfectly fine. We recenter that, and now we want the chocolate chips to be melted. So, and it might melt a little bit easier if it's a flat chocolate. I'm not quite sure. I haven't been able to try it with that. So we'll start again with another 7 seconds. Ooh, make sure to change that down again. Very important. Now 7 seconds. Now we start. So that'll go for a short time. And now it's finished. Oh! Well, that was 2 more seconds. I have no idea why it just did that. That has never happened before. Oh! I didn't hit cancel. Wow, that's a cool feature of our microwave. I didn't hit cancel. I started over again, and it just went on to the next thing that was programmed in for the thing at 7 seconds again.